Today, we're diving into the StarTech.com 2-port KVM switch DVI and VGA with audio and USB 2.0 hub, a powerhouse device designed for desktops, workstations, and servers craving seamless dual-monitor configurations. With both VGA and DVI digital ports, this switch opens up a world of possibilities, supporting resolutions up to a stunning 1920 by 1200, ensuring crystal-clear picture quality across both screens. Installation is a breeze with its plug-and-play functionality, eliminating the need for tedious software installations or driver updates. The built-in USB hub adds another layer of convenience, allowing users to connect and share USB peripherals effortlessly. Crafted with versatility in mind, this switch not only enables simultaneous control of two computers but also boasts a robust metal construction, ensuring durability and longevity. Its compact design makes it ideal for any workspace, Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.